Imagine a PC case that doesn't just house your powerful components, but actively shows off your system's pulse, right on its side. Forget boring black boxes. Lian just dropped the LANCOOL 207 Digital, a case that's practically a living, breathing dashboard for your rig, and it's truly something special. The first thing that grabs your attention, and honestly, it's a game changer, is that integrated 6-inch LCD screen. This isn't some tiny gimmick. We're talking a crisp 720x 1600 pixel display that hooks into LConnect 3. You can customize it to show real-time system performance metrics, cool visuals, or even use it as a legitimate second monitor. It's an incredible touch that elevates the entire aesthetic and functionality of your build. It feels like Lian really thought about what modern builders want, not just power, but personality. Despite its MATX footprint, this case boasts impressive ATX compatibility, meaning you can fit a substantial 360 radiator and high-performance GPUs up to 375. That's a lot of headroom for serious gaming rigs, which is exactly what Lian recommends it for. They didn't just slap a screen on it and call it a day. The internal design is meticulously crafted for optimal airflow. You get 4 high-performance fans pre-installed, 2 massive 140x40x30 PWM fans up front, pushing an incredible 109.3 CFM each, and 2 120x120x25 PWM fans at the bottom, delivering 71.1 CFM. This mesh-centric design, combined with an offset motherboard position, ensures those bottom fans are blowing directly onto your GPU. This is brilliant engineering, maximizing cooling efficiency right where it's needed most and enhancing overall system performance. And then there's the unique front-mounted power supply. Now, a front-mounted PSU might sound a bit unusual, but Lian has made it incredibly smart. The connector ports face outwards, making cable plugging a breeze, no more wrestling with cables in cramped spaces. This clever positioning also reduces the case's overall width and significantly improves cable management, leading to a cleaner build and better airflow throughout the entire alloy steel chassis. It's a thoughtful design choice that genuinely makes the building process less frustrating and the final result much tidier. The LANCOOL 207 Digital isn't just a pretty face with its integrated screen. It's a powerhouse of smart design and efficient cooling. It's a mid-tower that punches above its weight, offering both stunning visuals and serious performance capabilities. For anyone looking to build a gaming PC that stands out and stays cool, this case is an amazing contender.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.